Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen cook Dil Se, and today we are gonna prepare this veg cutlet. So let me show you what we actually require for this. So these are the vegetables which we require for our vegetable cutlets. I have taken carrot, cauliflower, beans, corn, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop it up and I'm gonna mash it in a very fine brunoise so as to get it nice crunchy cutlets. As you have seen, as you can see, I have chopped the vegetables. Now what I am really gonna do is I'm gonna saute this. So to saute, I'm gonna take the garlic paste. This is the kadhai I am taking just because it has a wide opening, so it will actually help me out to get all the water content out. So I'm just pouring a bit of oil in this, not too much of oil, very little. Then I'm gonna add the garlic paste. Normally people do add the chopped garlic. If you want you can add the chopped garlic as well. I do prefer the paste because of the reason कि जब भी हम इसको stew करते हैं, so there are many times when the garlic bit comes in the mouth and it spoils the taste. So I do prefer chopped garlic. I do prefer paste garlic rather than chopped. और अब मैं इसको अच्छे से भूनूंगा so that the water content in the vegetable evaporates and we get the crunchy vegetables cooked. As you can see, the water has evaporated up to an extent. We'll evaporate it more, and now this is the best time to add salt. So अगर इसके अंदर और भी water content होगा सब्जियों में, it will come out and that will also get evaporated. Now in this I'm gonna add black pepper, and oregano just to give it a nice taste, and I'm gonna add a bit of chili flakes as well. So as you can see, देखिए हमारा जितना भी पानी था इसका वो पूरा निकल चुका है, एंड जो हमारी वेजिटेबल्स थी वो सब बिखर रही हैं. It's not at all attached or it's not at all like a paste. So it's the best time to take it out and cool it down. So guys, you can see ये जो vegetables हैं देखिए पूरा पानी इसमें से निकल चुका है, and now I'm just gonna let it cool down and then we're gonna mix potato and refined flour in this to bind it up nicely. As you can see, I'll grate the potatoes to mix it with the vegetable mixture, and we'll try to bind it together. So with the flour I'm gonna add with the potato I'm gonna add a bit of flour as well. Flour will give it a nice binding and will help us to not to get it scattered when we'll fry this. तो आप देख सकते हैं इसमें जब आलू और मैदा मैंने मिक्स किया है तो इट हैज़ बिकम अ डो काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, और इसके ऐसे बॉल्स बना के देन वील पुट इट इन द शेप ऑफ कटलेट्स. So what I have done is I have prepared a mixture of water and flour like a paste, and I have taken the breadcrumbs. So अब what I'll do is I'll make the cutlets, and then first I'll coat it in the paste of flour, and then I'll put the breadcrumbs so that the crumbs can actually get stick to the cutlets. So I made the shape of the cutlet. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the paste and I'll coat this cutlet with this paste, and then I'll put this one in the breadcrumbs. तो ये इसको breadcrumb को देखिए, just because of the breadcrumbs the cutlet has actually covered with the bread with the crumbs, and it's not gonna leave it just because of the paste. So this is why it is required to cover it with the paste, or if you are okay with the egg, then do the egg process, then it's also okay. Now I'm again gonna keep it here. This is how I'm gonna do with all three of them. So guys, these are our crumbed bread cutlets, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in the kadhai to fry. And I'm gonna leave it like that. Don't try to move it too much, otherwise अगर कहीं से भी coating हट गई तो oil can penetrate inside and it can burst. Burst is not like the bomb, but yeah, it's gonna scatter in the oil and you'll not get the proper cutlet. So don't move it too much, just a bit of stroke to the oil. With the oil it will move like this. I'm gonna take this out. Just fry till golden brown. Don't fry it too much. Don't get it brown. Don't get it completely brown. Just till the golden brown, and give it a nice jerk to take out the excess oil and take it out. So these are our veg cutlets. Serve it with tomato ketchup, maybe a cocktail mayo, or maybe the cheese sauce, whatever you want to serve it with, or just serve with the chutney as well, green chutney. So that's how you can prepare your cutlets, guys. Hope you like the video. Do share your comments with us, and do cook dil se. Be safe at your place. Thank you.